हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम बात करेंगे अफोर्डेबल मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में। आई कीप गेटिंग so many queries and people do keep writing me that how to buy affordable makeup products which are good also and which can be used professionally and which are easily available in India। क्योंकि कितनी बार होता है कि मेकअप आर्टिस्ट बताते हैं ये प्रोडक्ट वो प्रोडक्ट, बट वो ईजीली अवेलेबल ही नहीं होता इंडिया में। या तो आपको ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर प्लेस करके देन यू कीप वेटिंग फॉर द शिपिंग और यू एक्चुअली एंड अप स्पेंडिंग लॉट ऑफ मनी टू गेट दैट प्रोडक्ट। सो हम सबसे पहले बात करते हैं प्राइमर के बारे में। एज यू ऑल नो दैट प्राइमर इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एनी मेकअप। So primer is easily available with all the brands now. You know, when I am talking about all the brands, starting from Lakme to Revlon to L'Oreal, Color Bar, you know, the primers are very easily available with all these brands. And थोड़ा सा और अगर हम higher range में जाएं तो MAC and Inglot, KIKO is now available in India and they have stores in India, in Delhi and NCR also. So that is also a very affordable makeup brand. And but primer choose करने से पहले हमेशा अपनी स्किन जानिए। If you have a oily skin, तो आप जो भी primer choose करेंगे that needs to be mattifying. Do not pick up any primer, you know, which will not actually suit your skin. And if you have a dry or a normal skin, then you can you can pick up something which is creamy. And you would like to know that what is my favorite. My favorite is this, which is from MAC, and this is very easily available across India. And the best thing is that it is can be used, this product can be used as a primer and can be used as your makeup setting spray also, and it nourishes my skin and works as a primer. And it has a, you know, now it has a miniature packing also, which is very affordable. So I think you can even pick up this product because it goes in each and every weather, especially, you know, when cities where it's a lot of humid. So this works very well. Or after primer, let's talk about foundations. Foundation is very very important to any makeup to look good. And foundations are again available, you know, in a creamy form, in a liquid form, in a powder form. Again, you know, a very affordable range which comes is from Maybelline, and it is very very good. I mean, I'll show you. This is you know, a matte foundation from Maybelline, which is FITME. It is very affordable, and at the same time it is very good. I mean, if you have little flaws on your skin, then you can always use a concealer to, you know, conceal that particular spots. Otherwise, this particular foundation is really good, and even I've been using on models on my shoots and especially on the shows also. This foundation is really good. And other than Maybelline, there is L'Oreal. Their foundations are also very good. Then MAC, which is little expensive, but their foundations are also very good. I mean, if someone wants to know that foundation, this is Studio SCULP, which is from MAC. It's a very good foundation, and the staying power is very good. It stays for very long, and the coverage on the face is also very good. So I mean, if you want to go to a party where you think that your makeup should last for 4, 5, 6 hours, then you can use this. Okay, there are other brands like Krylon also available. They have stores across India. Then I mean, Inglot makeup products are also very good, and their foundations, HD foundation, is also very very good and very easily available. Okay, so after that, let's talk about the setting powder, which is again very important. You know, you can actually, after you have left for the office or you have left for the party, you can always, you know, just put it in your bag and you can keep touching it. So, you know, this is like a studio fix which, you know, fixes your makeup and blots away any oil, any shine which is on your face. Then we have available this Studio Perfect with SPF also. So I mean, if you are moving out in sun, you can always pick up which is with SPF. Then I mean, as a professional makeup artist, I always like to use a loose powder. This is again from MAC, but now it is available in other brands also. So you can pick up even loose powder, but my suggestion is that you should take something in a compact form, because then the fallout is control in that, because it is a compressed powder. So after foundation and setting up a foundation, let's talk about eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is very, very important because the eyes has to look good. So I would say, instead of, unless and until you are very, very fond of doing eye makeup and experimenting with colors, then you should go for a palette which has many, many colors, because palettes are available. Like, this is from NYKAA, and which is available at Sephora, and at the same time it's available at NYKAA. So and I mean, there are many, many colors and many different options available, and you can pick up these also. But otherwise, there are so many other brands, those who customize as per your requirement. Like I just mentioned, there is a brand called KIKO, which is available now in India. You do not have to ask someone from Milan or London to get it for you. So they make, you can pick up like this, and they will actually customize like a small palette, where they'll put 4 colors and give you. So you can have something like that also, because in your personal makeup, you generally do not use so many colors. So 2-4 colors हमारे favorite होते हैं, उसके बाद बाकी सब color हमारी palette में ऐसे ही रहते हैं. So just know what are your favorite colors, what color palette you like, and then you can always go and customize it instead of wasting money and picking up a bigger kit. Okay. So after that, I mean, eyeshadow, then is a liner. So liner is again something which is available. I'm very fond of a Maybelline liner, then a L'Oreal liner, then I mean something which I really love and is in my kit also, a liner from KIKO, which does not dry fast. So this is the product. It is not very thick. It is creamy, and I mean, and it is again below 1,000 rupees. And if you do think that for a liner it's like too much, then Maybelline is something which is very good. It stays, and it does not smudge, and very, very easily available anywhere in Delhi and outside Delhi in India. So this is again very, very good brand. Then recently I like this liner from NYKAA. I mean, this is a liquid liner, the traditional one. So if you see, I mean, it's like a liquid liner. Those who are fond of putting liquid liner, it is very good, and it stays, it does not smudge. So this is also I mean, very affordable product and available at NYKAA.com. So then you can always use these pencils as a liner, and if you are very fond of giving a smudged look to the liner, so then these work very well. So these are again, these are very affordable. All are from 500 to 1,000, nothing beyond that. So after the liner, very important is mascara. What happens is, हम अपना आई मेकअप कर लेते हैं और मस्कारा हम हमेशा भूल जाते हैं या छोड़ देते हैं. तो the trick is that even if you're not doing your eye makeup, if you're not putting any shadow also, if you just put the mascara, that will also lit up your eyes. आपकी आईज को एकदम ओपन अप कर देगा और एकदम अच्छा आपकी आईज बहुत अच्छी लगेंगी. सो मस्कारा इज मस्ट. And if I talk about, there are again so many brands available. Just to tell you a few, this is from Revlon. It is ultimate all-in-one product. It's again very good. Then this is from COLORESSENCE. Very affordable product and good. I mean, I've used it and it's waterproof. It has volume. Then this product is my favorite. So this is a mascara from KIKO, and again very affordable range. You know, their mascaras are say from 700 to 1000, not beyond that. And sometimes when they have very good offers, and then you can actually get a mascara only for 500, and their mascaras does not dry up so fast, and it's like it gives a very good definition to your eyes. So this was about mascara, and very important is lipstick, because I mean, lips does all the talking, and they have to look nice. So again, you know, if you're fond of bullet lipsticks, then even I have tried lipsticks from Lakme, Color Bar. They are very good, and they stay also, and they have like really amazing colors in them. And if you think that, you know, you want to have like a small palette, then NYX has launched these small palettes, which is again easily available in India. So you can pick up these are available at NYKAA.com, and you can always order, and they have like many colors available in these lipsticks, and these lipsticks are very nice. I've been using this for more than like 3-4 years now, and they're really nice. Okay, so even if you're fond of contouring your face, then you know, the contour product is again available with Maybelline. Then of course every brand has it, and if you think that nahi hai aur mujhe pata nahi mujhe chahiye bhi ya nahi, then you know, you can use a matte brown shadow to contour. This is like a makeup artist trick, which I would like to tell you, because you know, when you're wanting to have a kit without spending too much money on that, and so this is again, you know, you can use a brown eyeshadow, not like very dark brown, like a medium brown, to contour your face also. And these days, I mean, after contouring, highlighting is something very important, jo people are liking and people are doing it. So you know, again there is this brand I come across on NYKAA only. This is a brand called Revolution. You know, this has it's like a, you know, it's like a palette, a strobing palette, which is available with them, and it is again very affordable, not very expensive. So, and these are like a palette of 3 different colors, so you can always have one. You know, they are available in singles also. So you can go for this product without making a heavy hole in your pocket. Okay, so this was all about makeup. I think I'm not forgetting anything. And then yes, of course, the setting spray. Setting spray, as I mentioned earlier only, my favorite is MAC, which is like a prep and prime, because this works as a fixer also for me. And this is one product which I use before and after my makeup. So I mean, you guys can also use this, right? So, and it is a very good product. So I think so now you know that, you know, without spending too much money, you can have a very nice kit, and you can do a good makeup with that, and it will give you really nice results. So that was all about affordable makeup which is available in India, and I'll be back with more videos like these. Till then, keep watching my channel. Thank you.